Hi there. Check out the Ovyuzhen Portable Camping Chair, a lightweight and heavy-duty option perfect for outdoor adventures. Made with a powder-coated steel frame and durable 600D Oxford ripstop nylon, it supports up to 300 pounds with excellent stability. Weighing only 3.85 pounds, it comes with a convenient carry bag featuring a shoulder strap for easy transport. The chair's ergonomic design offers comfort and includes side pockets to hold your phone, sunscreen, or small items. Whether you're fishing, hiking, picnicking, or relaxing at the beach, this versatile chair adapts to any setting. It folds compactly to 27 by 9.5 inches and sets up quickly to 17.7 by 17.7 by 25.6 inches with a comfortable 14-inch seat height. Enjoy outdoor comfort and convenience with this sturdy and portable camping chair. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.